Hey guys, this spreadsheet will help you to keep your bills organized for the month. This works in Google Sheets and Excel, and this is how it works. So what you want to do is put the name of your bill here. So say this is your power bill, and then we're going to put in the company, so power company, and their contact information, and their website, and then how much your power bill is for the month. Once you do that, it's going to change up here. I'll explain this in a minute. And then you can put in the due date. So I double click in and put in the due date, check off if it's paid, put in your payment method with the drop down box, what date that you paid your bill, and then any notes. And then this will track how much your monthly bills are for the month, which is handy. And then this spreadsheet will show you how much of a percentage you're paying in bills. So you can see that, oh my goodness, most of your bills are going for your car payment. And then the next one is your power bill. If we threw, rent in there, it's probably going to be a lot more. Let's say your rent's $1,500, and there you go. Most of your bills for that month will be for your rent, 50%. So that's how this spreadsheet works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com.